Yeah, yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're currently near Ottawa. We're at the Morrison Quarry. It's a really nice place. They have a few activities like the bungee jump. They have a beach with nice clear water. When we're done visiting the place, we'll go to downtown Ottawa, Gatineau. So make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and also thank you for watching. Okay, so let's find a nice spot, a nice rock. Alright, so we're gonna take a few pictures here. It's just white rock basically. So let's go down now. Cheers. Careful not to hurt yourself. There's like so many rock here. Alright.
Careful with that.
Thank God I put my shoes. So at first I wanted to put my sandal to come here because of the beach, but that was not a good idea. Thank God I put my shoes on. It's an old shoes, whatever. Alright, so here there's like a bungee jump. So people, they go all the way up here and then they jump. And let's keep on walking and see what's around. Yeah? I think he's gonna jump next.
Yeah, I'm gonna film it.
Of course not.
You did it for yourself flipping halfway. Yeah, you really jumped it. Watch the screw like that. It was such a long free fall. Yeah. Like I felt it. Really... You've got lungs.
I think we can just go here.
Oh yeah.
As you see guys, I'm sinking. Like, doesn't look deep when you look at it, but I'm sinking and it's just really muddy. It's hard to walk. Ew. Yeah, I don't recommend nobody to swim here. It's not a place to swim.
You're gonna sink really.
You're gonna sink hard. I don't think I will come back here, but if ever I want to do like bungee or a scuba dive, then I think I will come back, but there's not much to do here, to be honest guys. So let's go back to downtown. I'll take the quick shot while I'm walking. Alright guys, so we just arrived to the place. It's really interesting. Lots of art here. As you know, I love art. Yeah, this is like a little hide and seek, so it's pretty fun, pretty cool. They have different rooms.
I don't want there. Oh, but.
Have the place here with the bath.
Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I?
Okay, this is like really cool. On the slide here. It's pretty high, huh?
Yeah, I really like it.
You can even see far from here. You can see the other side of the street. Yeah. Here it's totally free. You can come work around. I think this is a really great idea. Alright, let's go somewhere else now. Alright guys, so we're still walking right now. We're just visiting the place. It's not our first time in Ottawa, but it's been a while that we didn't come here, so we just enjoy ourselves. So we just found this hiding spot right there in downtown of Ottawa, near a restaurant. Alright guys, this is it for the video today. Again, thank you for watching. It was a wonderful day. There will be more video for sure, so make sure you guys subscribe.